How about at 766, 612 West Coast of Canada?
612 right on Canada. 612 showing up right on the Big Island. 766, aloha.
Aloha, brah. You sounding good out here in the southern Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. We're waving.
Take care, 612. We'll put it on you later. Showing up right on Canada. 766 right on the Big Island. Aloha.
Right on 766. Sounding good, brother. Blowing smoke, got them all down. 612, waving and reading the mail. Aloha, man. This is the Great Hawaiian Channel, man. I love it. You guys are sounding good from the Central Pacific.
819 right on Palm Springs showing up. 819 right on Palm Springs.
Man, Hawaii's just blasting in here tonight. The Hawaiian Islands are sounding good out here to the southern Gulf Islands of Canada. 612, reading the mail. That's awesome. Evening skip, 7:15, still light out. That's Salt Spring Island. Thanks for watching. Cheers.